Hi, everybody, and thanks for joining me here today on RMS TV. Did you know that there are close to 300,000 real estate agents in the state of Florida? And according to the National Association of Realtors, about 200,000 of those licensees are realtors, members of the National Association of Realtors, held to a much higher standard than a licensee, including the NAR Code of Ethics. According to the latest statistics, the number of realtors in Florida has tripled since 2000, the year 2000. And we are currently number 2 in the number of agents in our state, just behind the state of California. So why is real estate so popular? Probably because there's an expectation that your real estate license is going to become the silver bullet that's going to make you rich beyond your wildest imagination. Well, not the reality. In fact, statistics show that as many as 80% of real estate agents fail or quit within the first year. Wow, 80%. Why? Well, I think there's a couple of reasons. Number one, wrong expectations. Number 2, no goals. And number 3, no kind of plan or action plan to actually come even close to meeting those goals. The reality of real estate is that it's a real job and it requires real work. Yes, it takes persistence, consistency of effort as well. One of the very first things I talk to agents about is the importance of having a working database. Simply a list of everyone you know, everyone your family knows, everybody, anybody that knows who you are. Actually, it's more than a list of people. It's actually a list of relationships that will help you become successful. Not a silver bullet, because the silver bullet really lies within yourself. Unfortunately, most agents don't have this list. Not having it, not using it, puts them at a great disadvantage, in my opinion. Want to learn more about a working database, what it means, how to put one together, how to use it, how to make that a part of your success, a part of that silver bullet? I've got a plethora of information on the subject. All you need to do is reach out and ask, and I'll make sure you get all the information you need and some advice along the way, if you'd like that as well. Hey, thanks so much for joining me for this episode of RMS TV. I hope to see you again soon. And in the meantime, have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.